Okay guys, so over here I have the Nintendo Switch 2, and in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Nintendo Switch 2 and make it run as though it is brand new. Now to do this, first things first, you have to turn off your Nintendo Switch 2. So you want to just go ahead and long press on the power button at the top over here for about 5 seconds. Just press and hold. And from this page, you just want to scroll down and then select the power options, and then you can just go ahead and turn off the Nintendo Switch 2. Now, once your Nintendo Switch 2 is turned off, you want to go ahead and put your Nintendo Switch 2 on recovery mode. To do this, you just want to press and hold the power button, the volume up button, and the volume down button for about 5 seconds as well. So just hold on the power button, the volume up, and the volume down button together. And once your Nintendo Switch actually shows this boot up screen, you just want to wait for some seconds and you're going to get to this recovery mode. Now what you want to do is to choose the factory reset option you want for your Nintendo Switch 2. So take for instance, you can actually reset the Nintendo Switch 2 without losing any saved data. So you can just select this option. Basically what this is saying is that saved data like screenshots, videos, and user information will not be deleted after you factory reset without deleting saved data. Alternatively, if you actually want to be able to factory reset everything on your Nintendo Switch 2 and then just make it come as though it is brand new, then you want to select the factory reset settings over here, and then you can choose to continue with the whole process. But then keep in mind that this is actually permanent. After factory resetting, you can't go back to what you used to have on your Nintendo Switch 2 again. Just click on the continue button over here and then click on continue. You also want to scroll down and then click on continue again, and then just go ahead and click on restore factory settings over here. And what you just want to do is to go ahead and press on the power button for about 5 seconds. So just press and hold your power button, and now your Nintendo Switch 2 will come as though it is brand new. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.